Hi, money viewers. My name is Kumiko Love, owner and creator of thebudgetmom.com. The Budget Mom is a financial resource and tool helping thousands of women all over the world live a life they love on a budget they can afford and understand. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to prepare and manage your finances, especially with what's happening in the world today. So with that being said, the first thing is to stay calm. The best thing we can do is make sure that we're in the right mindset to make the best money decisions, meaning we have a clear and focused mind when we make our money decision. The next thing is bringing financial awareness into your life, and not just financial awareness, but honesty. So the one way that we bring financial awareness into our lives is by tracking our spending. Now, why is tracking your spending so critical? Because without tracking your spending and knowing where every dollar goes, it's really hard to lay the foundation to which we need to tweak and work with to prepare and manage our finances for what's happening in the world today. We have to have a starting point, because here's the thing, you can't change what you don't know. So it's very critical to know where every dollar of your money is going. From there, you need to work with a bare bones budget. So what is a bare bones budget? It's literally going through every single one of your monthly expenses and doing one of three things: keeping the expense, cutting out the expense, or lowering the expense. And we're going to focus on only keeping the necessities, the things that we need to live. So the reason we're going to focus on the bare bones budget is because every other dollar that we can save needs to be placed into an emergency savings. So the next step is going to be reanalyzing your financial goals, because right now our financial goals might look a little bit differently than they did, say, 2 or 3 months ago. We had everyone dealing with different hardships, whether it be losing a job, decreased income, maybe only one partner is working. So reanalyzing your financial goals, what does that look like? So maybe before you were really focused on debt payoff. And I know a lot of you may feel defeated by having to halt debt payments to focus more on savings, and that's okay. Because remember, a debt payoff journey isn't just about paying off debt and the numbers. It's about learning to manage your finances so you don't rely on debt in the future. And sometimes that means we have to focus on other priority goals, and that's okay. So if you were focusing on debt payoff and all of your extra income was going towards that, now is the time to save for the unknown and for the future, and starting an emergency savings. The next thing is, don't be afraid to tweak and perfect. So looking at our budgets right now, what we have going on in our lives realistically right now, and then tweaking our budgets to work for what's happening. So maybe that's cutting out expenses. Maybe that's throwing more money into savings. Maybe that means completely analyzing and reorganize what we're saving for. And maybe that means trade-offs. So it might mean, a little bit smaller of a Christmas for our kiddos and for our families. Maybe it means setting aside the vacation on the back burner for just this year while we stock up our emergency savings. So make clear and focused financial decisions. Bring financial awareness into your life and give yourself grace to answer those questions honestly. Cut out unnecessary spending. Focus on a bare bones budget. Reanalyze your financial goals. Make your priorities saving money so we can be prepared for the uncertain and the future. So those are my huge tips. And remember, this is only temporary. This is not our permanent place. So let's stay dedicated to our financial plans and our budget.